like a Hellcat.
This is Porsche Player 202 back with a brand new video, and today in this video we're going to be unboxing this 1x18 model of a Porsche Cayenne Turbo that I purchased at the London Motor Show. Today, in fact, I'm recording the video same day. And yeah, so we're going to be unboxing this in this video. This video will be uploaded after the London Motor Show video, so if you're watching this, that one would have already been out, so make sure you go check that out as well. Yeah, and let's get into it basically, I guess. So yeah, I purchased this at the London Motor Show. It was very good, lots of new cars, electric cars and everything. We're going to literally be unboxing this today. It is brand new. You can see the seals on the car, taping the hood and the doors down still. This is the company I purchased it off. I took one of their cars to show you, so go and check them out. Very decent prices, and this model is a Welly Next series. See down there. So yeah, we've got the scissors ready. I'm gonna try and do this like one-handed because I'm skilled like that. Actually, right, stop the video right there. First, emergency announcement. Like, if you're new here, just subscribe. Like, please do it. Like, please. Thanks. So yeah, let's get into the video. We're on the grind for 100 subs. If we get 100 subs, I might do a face reveal, but anyway, go check them out. And yeah, let's get into it. So, as you can see here, we have not even cut the seals yet. I don't know, I might not need scissors, but we're going to try and unbox this. I don't think I will need scissors, as a matter of fact. I might need to put the camera down at some point, just because trying to do all of this one-handed is pretty tricky, actually, to be honest. Yeah, I was hoping to be able to do it one-handed. As you can see, I'm literally kind of like struggling a bit here. If I put those like that, try and wedge it a bit. There we go. I'm extremely skilled, alright? And you can see the front of the car is in there. We're going to try and pull this bad boy out. Yeah, the skill streak is over. I'm keeping the box, I'm just kind of folding that back. Time being, actually, what if I get my sock? This isn't the best way of doing it, but it could work, you know. There we go. A bit different, but you know, it's better than doing multiple clips, literally unboxing it on camera for you guys. So there we go. There's the box. There's it. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. Right, so here is the model. As you can see, 1x18 diecast model of the Porsche Cayenne Turbo. Now I have got other 1x18 models of different cars, but they aren't brand new, so if you want me to do a video on them, leave a like, but just so you guys know, it won't literally be an unboxing because they're not brand new, they're out of their boxes. So it will be just kind of, it will be the same video type as this, but it will literally be there right in front of you at the start of the video without all of these on. So without scratching the car, the next step, actually let's show you a bit. I wonder if you can open the boot. Oh yeah, right, we got these on here. I like how they protect it quite well. Nice to know that they care about their models. I'm such a bot. Like, actually. Right, thank God. Can we open the boot now? Oh, yes. There it is. See in there? Yeah, that cover doesn't move, but It's a pretty massive boot. Yeah, there we go, shut that. Right, let's move these scissors. Oh no, we still need them, don't we? Right. What is this then? This is... Oh yeah, look, we got steering as well. Pretty loose steering. Try and actually film where I'm doing it would be good. Yeah, that's just going to scratch it, so... I tell you what, whilst I just cut all of these loose, I'm going to pause the video, and, yeah. Okay, so, as you can see over there, I cut off all of the straps that hold this thing in place, and I've opened every single component to this car. So let's start right at the front here. Well, what's there? We have that. It's a V8, I think, that's fitted in this. Yeah, it's a V8. There might be the... Yeah, it's the V8 because it's a turbo. I think the standard one was fitted with a V6, I think. This thing had like 250 horsepower or something, maybe even 300. I don't know, but it's like kind of ugly, but kind of cool because it was Porsche's first SUV and it was extremely fast. Well, the normal one was fast in itself, but this one was even faster. So, I wonder if I can get the camera. There we go. That was the boot just shutting. There we go, get you guys inside there. It's very detailed, very good. Let's just try and see. Yeah, look, moving steering wheel, you can see that. Okay, so let's just try and shut this door real quick. There you go. So you see inside the first door. Let's take on a tour, just a bit more around the car. Let's move the mat, actually, might be easier. I hope it's not focusing too well. There we go, now it is. The boot doesn't open very wide, so I'm basically going to go under, like that. Yeah, well, that's not focusing, obviously, is it? There we go, you can see. But look how wide the boot is. I can get, like, the whole of my fingers in there, and they go right to where my knuckles are. The boot, so it's a pretty wide boot. In a minute, I'll find something that goes in the boot for you guys. And then you can see it. Other side, it's basically the same, but I'm just taking a bit of a tour. You can see in there, it's very smart, it's very detailed. I like it. Like, even the mirrors, the actual mirror. By the way, guys, you might have seen my phone. This is a test, alright? It's a bit of a quiz. Answer in the comments section. A couple of times you might have seen the reflection of my phone's camera and case and stuff. Just looking at the camera, try and guess what phone it is. A bit of a challenge for you guys. Alright? That's your challenge I've set you for today. So yeah, that is all the parts opened. Put it back around. Like that. Focus. There we go. Okay, so what is my verdict on this model? Well, it's got working steering, as you can see. The steering wheel is combined with that. So actually the steering wheel, if you move the steering wheel, it will steer the wheels. Yeah, given having to focus. There's lots of brightness the reflections and stuff coming off of the model. But yeah, I think it's a very good model. And again, if you want to see reviews of the other models, drop a like on today's video. I've got 2 other 1x18 models at the moment, but I'm going to start collecting them a bit more seriously, so there will be more that literally unboxings. But yeah, drop a like. I won't tell you what the other cars are, it's a surprise, so like you literally have to watch the video. Yeah. We're on the grind for 100. If you want a face reveal, like, subscribe, please. Yeah, please subscribe anyway. I'm a bit desperate. Okay, anyway. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button. Smash the subscribe button as well. And if you want to, turn the bell notification on. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.